Okay guys, catching up on some of the answers hub. So let's have a quick dive into it and see. This one's Alan. For a river trade, the first trigger, do you wait for the candle to be closed before it's triggered? You always wait for a candle to be closed. It's very dangerous to try and preempt something. And then also for the second trigger, I assume you have to wait for the close before placing the order. Correct. So that's relatively easy. Why do you let a candle close? Because anything can happen at the end of a candle. There can be a surge away. It could push up a little bit higher. You never know. But once it's closed, you've got a baseline you can work to. Okay. Now, the second one, also if both triggers are hit and you place the order, but the order is not triggered, do you leave it there until either the price enters the river or tags the order, or do you cancel the order if it's not triggered? Say X candles or something. The general consensus is you leave it till it's triggered, but if it goes back and closes in the river, it's null and void. Okay. Now, if it just ran away and was messing around for sort of 5 or 6 candles before it triggers, there's an argument to say that just let it ride, you know, just close it off and look for something else, because the idea of the river trade is it's based on a momentum push. So it crosses its first trigger, then it crosses its second one, symbolizing that the market is moving in a singular direction, and it's going to run like that for at least 2 or 3 candles, and those 2 or 3 candles is going to pay you. So that's the general idea. Now, if you've gone 3-4 candles past where those triggers are, it might be in a range and it's not a trend, because what you've got to remember is it's a trend following system and you don't want to be caught in whipsaw. So I hope that helps. Catch you soon.